How do you guide candidates through the offer and decision-making process?
It really begins with, the very sort of genesis of the relationship that I have with the candidates that I work with. And it begins at a point in time where I get to know them as individuals. I think it's unique to the way that I do what I do, that I get to know people and I get to know them, personally and professionally, so that as we work through the process of helping them understand what alternatives can exist and how to really be thinking about the arc of their career and where it goes, if it gets to a point where they have an offer of an employment and they're going to be making a decision about whether to accept or to reject an offer, it comes back to understanding how they've gotten to that point thus far and what it is that they're looking to accomplish longer term. Now, keep in mind, lawyers, myself included, are by nature risk averse. We are trained to spot issues, to assess risk, and to really, quite honestly, push away from it. And we advise our clients, and that's what we do. For a lot of lawyers, making a job change is extremely daunting. It's risky from a personal perspective because you're giving up goodwill that you've earned. You know everything about a particular place. You know what your longer term options may be. A new one you don't know. It's exciting, it's fresh, it's new, but it doesn't necessarily have all of those components that you've become accustomed to. That's not enough not to make a change. It's got to make sense. It's got to position a lawyer well to accomplish what it is that they want to accomplish longer term. And whether that be partnership, whether that be taking strides towards moving to an in-house position, whether that be expanding and developing your substantive skill set. All of those components need to be factored in, and a lot of times people need to be reminded and walked through how it is they got to that point to begin with and what it is that you want to be accomplishing longer term. It's not about necessarily making a change, but it's about putting yourself in the best possible position to understand how a change can benefit you going forward.